New buds are starting to show at the base of this copper kettle intersectional peony, so it's time to get rid of the old growth to make room for new. Pull out any leaves that have blown into the crown and snip off the old dead stems and leaves. If you had any trouble with black spot or powdery mildew on leaves, you should clean that up in the fall to prevent these problems from overwintering. The soil around this plant has washed away a bit around the roots, so we're adding some compost to cover the roots, but not burying the growth tips because peonies bloom best when they're planted a little shallowly. As the weather warms, they'll grow quickly.
Hi, I'm Sherry with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, subscribe to our Garden Gate Magazine YouTube channel. You'll find tips, design ideas, how-to help for gardeners just like you. Be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a video.